Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys like the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So this is the 5th look that I have created for my Navratri makeup series. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, then please continue watching. And also if you guys have missed out on my 4 previous looks, then I will link it in the description box, so do have a look. So first I'm going to spray some of my FILT'R Beauty GLISTEN Illuminating Mist. I shouldn't have opened my eyes. Why did I do that? I have this sachet of Too Faced Hangover Primer, so I'm going to apply this primer today. It does not smell like coconut. For foundation today, again I'm going in with my Huda Beauty's FILT'R foundation in the shade Baklava, and I will be mixing some of my MAC's Stroke Cream. Now I will be applying this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer under my eyes and on the highest points of my face. I will be setting my under eyes with K-Beauty's HD Loose Setting Powder. This one is in the shade Banana. This is my COLOURPOP's brush. Using this one to apply my powder. This powder is actually very good. So guys, for the rest of my face today, I am using my Urban Decay's De-Slick Mattifying Powder. It's actually a blotting powder. This is my MAC's 182 brush. For blush, I am going in with my MAC's Peaches blush. Applying it with my Sigma's Large Angled Contour Brush F40. So this is my MAC's Oh Darling highlighter, and I will be applying this highlighter on my cheekbone. I'm going to apply it with my finger. Today I'm not using my brush. Spraying this illuminating mist again. So guys, I'm just going to quickly finish one side of my eye makeup and I'll be right back. So let's get started with the eye makeup. But before starting, I just want to show you guys something. You can see this area, yahan par is a lower lash line, but it's gone a little patchy. My eyes are a little irritated today. They are watering. Yahan pe bhi thoda sa issue ho gaya tha, but I tried to fix it. So yeah, and God knows why I'm going warm and cool and warm and cool today. So let's begin. I have already primed my eyelid with my Fenty Beauty Eye Primer, and today I am using my Huda Beauty's Ruby Obsessions. Yes, Ruby Obsessions palette. It is my first time today using this palette, and it is so beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. I don't know if you still get this palette or not, but the colors are genuinely very beautiful. We are going to take this matte shadow. This is my Sigma's E25 blending brush. Applying it on my outer corner. Packing this color nicely. I love these kind of jewel tone colors. They look so beautiful, especially on Indian skin tones. Very softly I'm going to pull it inwards as well. So we are going to now blend this one with my Sigma E40 brush. Yes. I'll be taking this one, okay, on my Real Techniques base shadow brush. It's a nice warm orangey coral shadow. We'll be again taking this matte shadow. My camera is really annoying me today. I'm going very warm because I actually just use my ring light. I don't have like studio lights, so it keeps fluctuating, I feel. Okay, now I'm going to take this shadow. Look at this one. And first I will be applying it with my finger. So pretty. For more intensity, first I'm going to take this shadow on my MAC 242 brush. It's a synthetic brush, okay? Just going to nicely load this product. And then I'm going to spray some of my MAC Fix Plus. Again, I'm going to take this matte color and run it along my lash line. To be really careful. We'll be going in with this one now. Following the same steps on my lower lash line as well, okay? Now again, this one. This is my K-Beauty's eyeshadow stick in the shade Temptation. Will be applying it on my waterline. Okay. I should have been a little careful. For my eyeliner, I am applying my LYV's Eye Frame Liquid Liner. Going in with a very thin coat of my L'Oreal's Waterproof Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, because I will be wearing my lashes. But with my lower lashes, I will be going in a little heavy. On my tear duct, I will be applying this Stila's Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Next to Not or something like that. Applying my Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder under my eyes. For my lip color, I will be first defining and filling in my lips with ColourPop's Lippie pencil. This one is in the shade Oh Snap. And on top of this lip pencil, I will be going in with my ColourPop's Luxe Gloss. This one is in the shade Candy Kiss. Finishing off my makeup with spraying some MAC Fix Plus.